get some dust off of the camera lens here. Well, I did have a little can of old plastic wood, and that might have even been better, I don't know, but I opened it up. It was probably 20 years old. I may have brought it here from Kansas when I lived out there, but anyway, it was set up, dried in the can kind of, so I will use what I've got here. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to drill some bigger holes, and then I'll use a slightly smaller drill bit to push that filler down in. And I don't have to be real particular about this. And I'm not going to try to go too deep with it. It's just something to give the filler something more to hold to than just the surface here. That should do. Could get my air hose and blow this debris out of here, but I think it'll be all right. Now really this filler had never been used, so you can see this. I don't think this is going to be any good. Considering how high I have to build it, you know, it's going to be quite a bit of it there. So I think I'll turn the camera off, and I think I'll go to town and get a new thing of it. When you do construction, remodeling, stuff like that, you end up with a lot of this, I think, if you don't use it real often. When you just have a use for it every few years, the stuff's going to go bad. If you use this once a week doing something, then you know you use it up, but that's just how it is. All right, well, I'm going to turn the camera off because what you can see is I need to get that done so I can put my siding pieces back on permanently. And then thereafter I get that on, I need to take I've only got a couple of screws holding this window in. I need to pull it out and clean and sand around it and repaint, just so that I can put the window back in and put new sealant and stuff around it. So, but before I can put this siding back on, I got to finish that. So it looks like I'm off to town.